Hi everyone, welcome to JVN testing tutorials. IntouchCX is hiring for customer support executive in Hyderabad location. Looking for freshers and experienced candidates. Any graduate can apply for this job. The location is Hyderabad in the Mindspace location. So, InTouch is hiring for international voice process. Coming to eligibility, see here, a fresher or a minimum of 6 months of experience of support with international clients, and you need to have an excellent communication skills. You need to have excellent problem solving skills and customer service skills. Company is providing two-way cab facility for both pickup and drop, a 5 days working in a week and 2 week offs. Then why are you waiting? If you are interested, please share your resumes to the mentioned email ID, or else here there is a WhatsApp number also. You can share your resumes to this number, or else you can directly walk into this address. The address is B16 Mindspace 5th floor, backside of Inorbit Mall. So the interview date is from 2nd June to 3rd June at 11:30 am to 3:30 pm. The detailed address is mentioned in the below description. Thank you and all the best for who are going to attend the interview.